Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. Mediocre Trader here, and in this video we're doing our weekly technical analysis on AMC. As you can see, we got our chart right up here. So with that, let's get right into the video. All right, let's get into this. We got the daily time frame up here on Friday. AMC closed 448. As you can see here, we got this bearish candle right here, but if you look closer, you can see wick. We got a wick here, another wick, a lot of top wicks here, which tells me there's a lot of selling pressure up here. With that said, this candle doesn't look very good, but let's talk about what we talked about last week, which is if we had a break out, I said we could bounce off this down here and get a run back up. And if we break out of this box, we can move, which happened. We ran all the way back up to what, 480, 490-ish, okay, 487, 490-ish, and rejected, and so now that invalidates this right here. So what do we do now that those are invalidated? Well, we got to set up some more. So let me do that, and I'll get right back with you. All right, so we got our channel back up here, a new channel. I drew out this channel this way for a reason, because we broke below the 48 EMA right here, and we tested the 13 EMA and bounced off the 13. But I believe that we can continue on down, and we'll probably break below the 13 and head down. That's my belief. We'll probably break through the bottom of this channel here that we just formed. But we gotta let it transpire, see what happens. Maybe we get a bounce and a run back up, and we break through the top of this again. That's also possible, right? But with the GO plan, the new GO plan that AMC's putting out, my problem is there seems like there could be some dilution in there. Actually, I know there's some dilution in there, and I mean, how's that going to affect the price? Oh, I'm sitting by, I'm watching what's going on, but I just want to put out there that there could be some downside. As you can see, there is selling up here, so we need to see. But if we look at the RSI right here, it's still above the 50 mark, and it's got room to go up a little bit, but it could also pull back down. In the MACD down here, this is on the daily time frame, just so everybody's aware, the MACD is just trading flat on the 0 line. So with that said, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. All right, so here's our 4-hour chart. And if we look right here, you can see that on the 4-hour chart, we broke below the 48. We tested the 200 EMA on the 4-hour again. And the 13 is rolling over, obviously. Okay, so this looks pretty bearish. It looks like this could easily break through the bottom of this channel that we just put up, but it could also bounce here and get a run back up. We don't know. We need to wait and see what's going to happen, as I said. But this is where we stand, and let's look at some of the indicators on the 4-hour right now. Let me drag this. Hang on. Here we go. The RSI looks like it broke below the 50 line, and it's heading down. So that's kind of bearish there. And the see what the MACD is looking like. The MACD has crossed to the downside, and it's heading down. So from what I'm seeing here, it's likely going to continue to the downside. We'll have to wait and see what happens this week. With that, that's really what I got for this video. Hey, listen, I just want to say, we ain't seen Roaring Kitty come into this play. You know, we ain't seen Warren Buffett come into this play. Like, I don't understand. We just need to continue to move forward, pay attention to the financials and the fundamentals of the play, you know, and make good trades, right? That's what we need to do. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.